So now we have the whole top yellow. So that brings us now to getting everything in the right spots, which is called PLL, permuting the last layer. And there's two parts to it. We need to get the corners into the right places, and then we'll need to get the edges into the right places. Now there's three possibilities here with the corners. You're either going to have them already all done. That means you'll have everything lined up matching perfectly. Or we're going to have a pair of headlights that's two of the same color on the same side. And then the other ones won't be like that. Or you don't have any headlights at all. Okay, the algorithm we're going to use is actually a two-step algorithm. It's actually a real long algorithm on its own. But it's first this 7-step algorithm that I will show you that involves turning the top and the left and right sides. That's actually going to rearrange the position of some of our corners. It'll also mess up the yellow layer on the top. But then it'll actually give us a fish, which will then reuse our algorithm from the last step again. To then be able to now solve the top layer. Okay, so let's take a look at that. So here in this example, I have a pair of red headlights, but if I turn the cube any other way, it's not matched up. Right? They're not paired up. But on the one side, I do have the red. So what we do is either turn the top or turn the cube, it doesn't matter, so that the headlights are on our left-hand side. Okay? Then we perform the algorithm L prime U R U prime L U R prime. And what that has done is moved some of my corners around, but you can also see I've messed things up, right? But I've messed them up in such a way that I now have a fish, and when I do this again, it's actually going to put everything back where it came from. It's actually going to put everything back where it came from. Okay? So when I do my fish algorithm again, R, U, R prime, U, R, 2U, okay, it will fix the top. And now if you look around here, I have green, green, orange, orange, blue, blue, and red, red. All right, I've completely gotten everything up, so I'm just going to turn that so the red matches up with the red side. Of course, everything else will match up. All that's left are these pesky little edges to deal with, and we have one final step that we're going to do to take care of that. Now, I want to show you one other possibility. So I'm going to bring out this other cube here because this one has no headlights. None whatsoever. There's none whatsoever. Okay. So what I do is I just hold the cube any way at all, and then perform that same algorithm again. L prime, U, R, U prime, L, U, R prime. All right, that's messed everything up, and I have the fish though. So I do the algorithm that I've been, my fish algorithm. R, U, R prime, U, R, 2U, right, fixing the top, and that gave me a pair of headlights. So I can either turn the cube around so that the two green headlights move them over, or I can just rotate the top twice to put them over here. Now they're not on the right color set, but that's okay. I just want to get the things that I need to mess with over here on the right, the unmatched edges, and then I perform the algorithm a second time. L prime, U, R, U prime, L, U, R prime. Okay. And now, once again, I have my fish. So I perform the algorithm again. R, U, R prime, U, R, 2U, R prime. And now you can see I have the orange headlights peeking at me. And if I turn the cube around, I have the blue headlights peeking at me, the red headlights. So I just need to turn those to get them into the right spot. So red's there, green's there, and orange is there. Okay, and then and of course blue is there, and actually the blue side actually has the blue yellow edge already in the right place. So the last thing we deal with is how do we take care of these edges. Okay,